Parts Factory Australia install tutorial. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to replace your wiper arm linkage motor. These slowly break over time due to the plastic ball joint on the end. They end up popping off and breaking, usually just due to some wear and tear. So let's get stuck into it.
To start off with, you're going to want to take your 15mm socket for the 2 bolts on the wiper arms, and then grab yourself a clip tool, go along and remove all the clips along the trim piece, and that'll allow you to then pop all that off.
So I just went ahead and sprayed some WD-40 just in here just to try to loosen it up a bit, and then that should just pop right off with a bit of a wiggle. And also don't forget to disconnect this little hose here, so that way you can then remove it. And that's it. Just do the same for the other one.
Another thing to mention as well is there's a hose that runs along down here. Make sure you do disconnect that. There's just a little connector here, and that'll just pull apart just like that. And then you come here, pull it out of the clips, and that's all freed up. Make sure as well, before you remove these 2 plastic pieces here, just take these little rubber pieces off for your wipers so you don't lose them. And then you're good to start taking out all these clips.
It might be easiest in there,
Alrighty guys, so once you have all these clips out here, the clips are only on this right hand side. You will need to take this one off first, as you can see under here, the left hand side runs straight underneath all the way to about here. So yeah, just be mindful of that. Don't go trying to rip this one off first before this one, because you will end up breaking it. So as you can see, all I've done, you just come behind here, you can see there's just a couple little clips under here. Get your fingers under there, just be gentle. You know, you can break these clips quite easy. And there you go, that is out just like so. So now you're up to the left hand side. When you take the right hand side one off, there still will be a little clip which is just sitting here. This one may have already been missing a few here, so just make sure that yours doesn't have any more clips there, but there was one here which was holding this panel in. Just take that out, and there you go. Go ahead as well, you need to grab a 10mm, and I suggest using a extension. Will just make your life just a little bit easier getting in those tighter spots. Alright guys, so I've just gone ahead, loosen up the 2 10mm, one there and one there. They'll allow this freely. Just rotate it very gently out, just sit it there. You will have, there's a bolt here, a bolt just under this arm, and then a bolt back here. Unfortunately for me, mine did snap. If this does happen to you guys, you will just have to drill it out. It shouldn't happen. This one's just been sitting outside for a very long time. And as well, careful when you do rotate this arm out, because there is the motor under there with a plug attached to it. So yeah, I suggest you removing this, disconnect the arm from the motor, and then that'll allow you to unplug it, put your new motor in, do up your 3 bolts again, and then yeah, rotate the arm back in, and then you'll be able to bolt it back on. Go ahead, just snug them up, don't over tighten them. They don't need to be super tight. You don't want to go ahead and break the heads off them or strip them, just like that. There you go, and there's your arm all put back on. So now you're good to go ahead and start putting all your plastic trim pieces back on. Remember to start with the driver's side first, as this sits underneath your passenger side. Make sure you got your hose, which sits up the right hand side, and go ahead and start putting that piece back. Alright, so now that we got that piece all together, go ahead and just reinstall your little clips along the back here, and grab your passenger side and put that one on. So guys, got both the trim pieces back on now. I've just gone ahead and started reinstalling the clips here. Once you've installed all your clips, don't forget as well, you disconnected this, just reconnect it with the joiner there, tuck it all back in and you're good to go. Don't forget as well, reinstall your little rubber, which just runs along the center here, all the way around, and then reinstall. Hopefully you've got some nicer ones than me, but yeah, just reinstall your little rubber bits there, and then you'll be able to chuck your wipers back on. Alrighty, there you go. So both wiper blades are back on. Same way you took them off, just slide them straight back over. Make sure you set them to the right height. Install both your 15 mils again. Do them up snug. Don't forget your little hoses here as well. Make sure you reconnect those so that way your water works. The passenger side, you want your smaller blade, and then obviously your driver's side will have the longer one.
Righty guys, that's the job done. It took about 10 to 15 minutes. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. If you guys are chasing this part, you'll find it linked in the description below of this video. Jump on the website, free express shipping all around Australia. Make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, thanks for watching guys.